Hello traders, today is 23rd of June, Tuesday 2020. We just finished our trading day and I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with a live RD stack support alongside high time frame 4-hour analysis. And all the live analysis recording is available for all the members in the training session for the educational purpose. As you can see, we analyze market in a high time frame, and we analyze market in intraday system to refine and entry and exits. So as you can see, for our analysis and afterwards, basically we do analysis in a momentum chart. So all these live analysis are broadcasted instantly in the analysis section, and all the updates provided instantly as soon as the price progress according to those analyses through live audio commentary and plus through the in the analysis section. So for example, if you look at in pound yen trade, this was the analysis when the price we're looking for the breakout. As soon as the price developed the pullback, we announced that information through live audio commentary. So based on the current analysis, I personally managed to bank 196 pips. As you can see, this is the breakdown all of my trades. And let me zoom out, zoom in so you can see it. So 196 pips, and still one of my trades is open. That is the pound Swiss franc break even and still in profit. So if you look at in the beginning in the morning, I had interesting trades, and then I had two losing trades for pound dollar, 30 pips. And again, if you look at because we had this breakout, after the breakout, this was a valid pullback, but you can see we don't gonna get every time profitable trade, but as long as we manage our risk. You can see two losing trades. Then I had it open pound Swiss franc, two short trades, which I closed it one, and I said probably price might going to reverse, but as you can see, lost another one, 10 pips on that trade, because this was the pullback. As soon as the price reversed, I just basically closed that trade. But later, I banked a beautiful pips on pound Swiss franc. I'm going to explain to you. I had a losing 119 pips on a euro yen. I had two positions open. Euro yen, you can see I banked few pips here. You can see on pullback, few pips around 5-6 pips, and then I said probably my going to continue, which price reverse, and I closed my trade before it hits to the stop loss. So this was the losing trade, but I was watching in 4 hours just before my closing my London session. I found another interesting opportunity in pound Swiss franc, because I was watching in 4 hours. Based on that, you can see I had three positions open short on pound Swiss franc, and let me explain to you guys so you will understand what I was watching here. In the morning, when the price basically about to break in 4 hours this wedge, and that's what I took a trade, and my target was the 175.75, so which almost hit this level. You can see it, and afterwards nice reversal. So that's what I found that opportunity, and again that was the 100% based on the analysis which was broadcasted previously. Yeah, this is the analysis, you can see it. I took a short trade here which I make a loss. As I said to you that we don't hold the losing trade, but we keep the winning trade. As you can see, afterwards beautiful pullback, and you can see it's such a beautiful pips 3 times, so I covered that loss. Then I found another opportunity on pound yen short trade, because when we see the price reverse, and I found opportunity on both pound yen and not this one, pound yen and pound dollar, which I'm going to explain to you guys here. Not this one, is it? Let me show you here. That's the one, probably. Yeah, that's the one. You can see it. As soon as the price reverse, I said to my traders that the best way to safest trade would be look for the after the breakout pullback, which price nicely came back and retest this level, and I took a short trade back 19 pips. Beautiful trades. And my last trade was the right now 15 pips On euro yen, this is the short trades. Again, this was the taken on pullback based on the analysis which broadcasted here just a few minutes back. I just made bank few pips. I explained to my traders time to bank few pips on pound euro yen. As you can see, as explained to the traders, that we had a nice reversal, but the best way to trade if we get any pullback, which price nicely developed pullback, momentum was bearish, beautiful short trade on euro yen, and a bank of beautiful pips. And I had another trade. One of the trade is still holding long on pound yen, pound Swiss franc. So if I'm going to close this trade here, so you can see around 208 pips today on pound yen. So a bit including the pound yen. So altogether 208 pips today, based on the live analysis which broadcast instantly for all the members. All right, and also keep an eye all the fundamental news, what's happening in the market to to define the market bias. So let's back to the analysis, give you a little bit more information. As you can see, this was the triangle pattern breakout. You can see beautiful price, nicely broken, such a beautiful breakout trade. And I also bank few pips on this pound yen long trade. This one, dollar Swiss franc, which is pretty straightforward, breakout short trade. And then euro yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the breakout long trade and pullback long trade. And pound yen, pretty straightforward, breakout long trade. And pound dollar, beautiful after the breakout. Safest trade would be the pullback long trade. Pound dollar, beautiful pullback short trade. And pound Swiss franc, you can see beautiful pullback, which you have seen that I took this long trade, short trade here. I closed my trade. But when I see the pattern and 4 hour, as I explained to you, if you look at this was the bearish flag pattern, and I took a 3 short trade with a very tight stop loss and beautiful pips today on pound Swiss franc. So beautiful. Uh, Enjoy that trade. And pound yen again, this again, I banked another 19 pips on this one when the price broken. As I always mentioned, look for the pullback short trade. As you can see, price nicely developed pullback, beautiful short trade. And euro USD, as you can see, this was again as the breakout trade. We had this breakout, and afterwards, as I mentioned, all of my traders, we can see very strong bullishness uh, on euro USD and beautiful breakout, and after that beautiful pullback, which is again price nicely broke on this flag pattern and nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful long trade on euro USD. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward breakout, and after the breakout pullback, another one pullback breakout, you can see, and beautiful long trade on uh, Kiwi dollar. We had a very strong weaknesses on dollar this morning. And pound yen, we had this nice rally. After that, basically, we're looking another beautiful pullback short trade. As you can see, the price nicely respected this orange EMA, and beautiful another short trade on pound yen. Pound dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout short trade. And pound dollar, as mentioned on the analysis, the first priority would be the pullback. As soon as the price respect twice and develop a double bottom, we took a long trade. I also personally banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the blue fib channel. Euro USD, we had this long trade. As always, we follow the momentum, as you can see, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback long trade. And dollar yen, we had such a nice rally, and I explained to my traders, look for any pullback, basically any pullback. So you can see, because we have very strong bearishness on dollar and very strong on yen across the board. Beautiful pullback short trade on dollar yen. Euro yen, again, as you can see, I personally banked few pips on euro yen. Beautiful pullback short trade. Pound yen, as you can see, the price reverse, and I explained to my traders, more or like look like the prices develop a head and shoulder pattern, and the safest trade would be the breakout long trade, and which probably counter long trade on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, as mentioned on the analysis, because we were looking, I said to my traders, the safest trade would be if the price going to break this Bollinger Band. Otherwise, look for this breakout as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see, I said another possibility of pullback, but the safest trade would be the breakout of this one, which we explained through live audio commentary. As soon as the price reversed, I took a long trade and explained to traders, as you can see, as soon as the price about to hit to the resistance level, we announced to bank some profit on pound Swiss franc. As you can see, I've already banked beautiful pips on pound Swiss franc on counter long trade. All right, guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy all the analysis details. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, if you with the live audio SCAG support, and if you're interested to make these type of pips every single day, feel free to join our fast growing trader community. And thank you watching for this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Bye bye.